And me see Al Kamla. Me see Dirty Rotten Mango come back as Nicole Thomas. And she over there. I come and talk about say. Find peanut butter. And a big peanut butter. She over there talk about say about the girl unalive in and just so. So I see one of the comrades tell her say to leave it alone. Don't name
One of them I
her.
tell them to leave it alone because a
Mario,
comrade war. A
A
comrade
comrade
war
Mario,
send them a
settle.
goodbye.
Oi!
what you say about Bluefield?
No, sir, my sister, go cuss me now, serious.
Who you buy?
You say about me look quiet about this daily. I tell you about the vice what they can say.
But you not go like, but hold on, you not go like me. I defend Bloomfield. I'm not defending him. Me I tell you no, me I tell you no, we no chat say a fart.
Yeah, defend your constituency,
Me I
Kizzy. Say
defend
no
the
batty
parish.
country. Say no batty country.
Wait, you
I know
want one
Batty
more?
parish too, but yeah, people come there with them Batty business.
So
Yeah.
why they vote and they know
Man,
say special eyes at a Batman and they still vote for him?
because they love batty business.
I said tell them say them all get 40.
Look where you gonna go itch up.
You gonna make me all sneeze on my phone. I said tell them say minimum wage are gonna be $40,000 a week. Like him a prime minister.
Answer the
If
seat
you say
the
Portland
water.
people don't, me I go accept you and say true. Cause then don't for true. Cause I don't know how they make that East Portland me born and grew in a PNP place. From ever since. It is what it is. So
And
me don't
you
know
tell
when
them
I go.
about the Blue Lagoon. When Eli went tell them about the Blue Lagoon.
At a Blue Lagoon. Cause then can't switch up nothing. At Blue Lagoon, they nobody can change. Cause Blue Lagoon a heritage trust.
Uh-huh. No, but I foolishness that then tell the people them.
And him can reverse that.
Okay, make me done run here, sir. Oh, what happened?
Are they something them this?
Yeah, but on the right, on the big one, them are over long one. The one them have 96 that they discussed. So they come across to look one sitting, come and look for sitting. And you walk plan down for no reason at all.
How comes when I hear nobody a cheer for Jamaican football woman team? You know say I don't know how I name there. You know see them beating there too long. You what?
And them we should have sent a World Cup.
The Jamaica football female team, reggae girls, them beat
We,
India
we
too
should have
long.
we should have sent the regular girls a
Okay.
World Cup. They would have do better than them.
But Mario, I don't know what you talk about, because I don't know if India play football. Hey, Mario? What? I don't know if India play football.
No, go
What do you
left
mean
on
you
no
don't know
go and
what?
watch TV.
Idiot thing go there celebrate but Argentina best team in the world. Idiot Kingo.
Hey, some people are real. Why may I tell you say God knows some people see have some people me no want Black Labour Party no more.
What going on,
Swear.
Kizzy?
I mean, you know who wouldn't do it dirty stinking Lisa.
Just got through with dog in a pool.
Lisa was so incompetent. Lisa not even have no legacy. But give back Lisa ambassador work. Ambassador for the represent or must go sell front.
But Punkus are going with Punkus, what going?
You know Ramdeen them from East Portland, Kizzy.
Who?
Ramdeen them.
If me know Ramdeen, Indian them
Yeah.
first. What about them? Are your family?
No, sir. Me and the father used to be friends.
Oh, okay.
I feel him son, me hear them analyze with you. From them.
Where? At Portland?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Somebody not send more messages like that, but me know.
When last somebody get analyzed at Portland? Where?
They could
When
be
last time
before.
kill somebody at Portland? We don't hear about
Before
no
two
killing.
boy then punish it there. On
When
the
the
beach.
last time they kill somebody at Portland? Fran shot, no man. After shot they don't kill nobody?
No. Uncle, so what kind of girls found them there, man?
Auto mechanic shot. Yeah, in my last somebody then kill. Look how long that. No sir. Me no know about no unaliving. I am the one.
Yeah, me don't know. Somebody message me and tell me that though. Somebody message me and tell me.
A good while now. If somebody do a quick check and tell me. And somebody do a quick check now and tell me what the murder rate in Portland for the last year. Or it far from year start. We not have none.
Now, what's the treat?
We no record. Me no remember first recording any murder from the year start.
I think a 3, man. A 2 or 3.
Which part? What then name? What then? Oh, tell me about it. Cause me no know of it.
Is it Portland going good?
Me no know of it. Cause generally I support land go one or two. I saw
Yeah,
3 years ago it did a go up in a son 9 and 10 and so. But and cause I scamming business and the boy them that get in the super scamming, they that kind of get the place out of hand. And the 80 people them and the whole them kind of drugs for gun business, they that kind of mess up the place. But otherwise we not have. Anybody check it? Somebody check it and post in the comment section for me. Cause me no remember if no murder going to Portland from the year start.
King said
Yes,
2.
the king said 2 since
2 since 2026. What the details about the 2 king? Can me see if my memory can be jogged. Unless they happen down above Bay side. Cause sometimes that go on. For them side usually have one murder and 2 murder. When East Portland have not even 1. I think it's Asian related. Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you, sir. Portland are going good, man. We get back on track, you know. We get back with things. Somebody can follow up my gallery for me. Jeez, Black King, how you treat me, son? How long me there from man in the chat off my week? Not because was 7 last year. Yeah, King. Like me I tell you, and the year before was about 9 or 10. But we when we are about 9 or 10, the whole Portland afraid. Cause we know do them something there. We know
1 year where Andrew Owen is put as the head of NARA. Remember, and if me and you are work in there and we see something, if we talk, we're going straight to prison. You can't walk me your mouth away one man, one voice away the one man say anything where him say that goes. The only person him speak to is the Prime Minister. And the only somebody speak to him is the Prime Minister. So I understand about the narrow. But what about the ones them who don't?
Yeah, because
it's like we give up rights rights because we don't have a voice, we don't have a say. And when me that try to show them so this is what he meant when he said time gonna come where we're not gonna need an opposition. And then now, when him do all the way out, you still gonna have people about we not hear from Mark Golding, the oppositions are silent. Come on, then you know say Andrew only silence
we don't see that already.
the opposition.
I see that
You
already.
don't
I
see that?
see people are right. That's not thought that already because what the Naira does is because it's a law now, right? So when him bring in Bridging now for come govern it, because them claim say the Naira is for making things go faster, right? The rebuilding of Jamaica make it goes faster instead of the bureaucracy and the red tapes, right? That's what they claim, right? So in other words, you know, it's only like them alone controlling the govern of the money and how it's spent and all these things. They didn't want the opposition to ask any
To have
questions
nothing. To
or
have them
anything
no
to
want
do
the
with
opposition
it.
to
Yeah,
have nothing
exactly.
to do with nothing.
And because they have the majority in the house, right? They use their majority. That's why the lady from down on Montego Bay, what's she name? When them put at the back bench from them party, Malalu.
Oh, for
Big top Malalu, them put at the back bench. Remember, some Malalu was top in the party, you know. Them put her at the back bench, and she's not for that Nara bit law, you know. And she did lick out against it, and
she
them
know what
convinced
she
them
know
threatened
where she
her. They
know what
must
the
have,
Nara is about.
yeah, they must have threatened her because she changed her mind.
Riz, sorry to
Greetings.
bother you a lot. Selassie, I bless there. Tika, you say I'm ugly for me thing. I mean that, you know. Anyway, the Nara is a dictatorship. Whatever he says, go. That's it. The man who
Whatsoever he says goes.
goes is a dictatorship. This Nara is not good for poor people, nor even Jamaica. So it's like we want all the cockpit country now. Once Nara come in, forget about Curry. Trust me. The Queen of England have to get up out of her grave and say, fuck you and Joelness. What you think you're doing? We and this place to the Maroons. Yeah? He's after that place, and once Nara comes there. Yeah?
Well, listen to Pachague. And that's what I was saying. That was what I was saying, Pachague. Say, with the platform them were up and running for educate the people them and let the people them know really what the Nara is about, because most of the majority of the people them in Jamaica do not understand what is this Nara thing.
Yeah, but it's
And because them
too
don't
late now,
understand,
because it's already
because
passed.
them don't understand, and the Labour right them open them platform and them attack. What happen now? Everybody with the people are listen to what them say, and oh, it's great, it's good, it's this, that, No.
But the bill is already passed. It is now a law, and it's already been
Not
signed.
a law.
It's the Governor General already signed the seal on it, so it's already gone through.
And the Governor General shouldn't sign the seal on it either. This Governor General
the GG is not partisan. This Governor General is not partisan. He's fully Labour, right? And it's very clear to see that.
And with the
Because
Governor General should be a neutral person.
If you are somebody good, right? And you care about the people of Jamaica, right? You the Governor General and you care about the people of Jamaica. You would have sit down, Andrew, and said to him, Andrew, rethink back this Nara thing here. I don't think this Nara thing here is for the people. And rethink it back. This is too much you're pushing on the Jamaica people. But what the Governor General do, him go ahead and him sign it. That means to say you agree with all of the foolishness where Andrew Owens are show up on the people of Jamaica.
Yes, he is in full agreement. And I mentioned earlier, Tika, the recent statement from the Minister of Justice, Delroy Chuck. I want you guys to go and check out the statement. And Mr. Buchanan just spoke about it. You're going to probably see that later on. But the statement that Delroy made is very dangerous. Yeah? And if you observe what is taking place in Jamaica, and you're recruiting young Jamaicans to be a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, he's recruiting them like crazy. Remember before, to be a police officer. Yeah, to be a police officer in Jamaica was not that easy. You understand? Now it's very, very easy, because the more police officers that him have on his side is what the people now gonna suppress the people. And that statement that Chuck made is very dangerous, because he's telling the police them that they can go ahead and unalive the Jamaican people. I'm telling you, it's very dangerous.
Exactly.
If you oppose, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That is why I tell you, say, you see this Governor General here? You see this Governor General here where we have a Jamaica right now, the Governor General here want to shoot with shit. You see me? Because there is no way.
Governor General, have to sign it, you know. The Governor General cannot sign it, you know. From both houses of Parliament pass the bill, you know. The Governor General have no other means not to sign it, you know. So from the past Parliament, him can't do nothing again, you know. Him just put the king seal upon if he say it become law. But him sign it no mean say he not go a court or a court can strike it down. Because 3 arms of government they have a judiciary can strike down the bill.
I'm glad you're here, Alvera, because I really wanted to ask about the court situation for you to explain it. So thank you. Go ahead. Sorry for interrupting.
So just like how them did pass the needs bill. And the Governor General signed in the same way. And then carry go court and the court strike down part of it and the government have to go fix it.
Oh, yes, for true. But now, Alvera, you know that when you apply for your national ID, when you go to pick up your ID, you know it's a NIPS ID you get now?
Yeah, because they have change out the ID itself. But people don't know that clear.
Yeah.
That's why majority, that's why at least $2 billion in our budget to support needs. Because they have to get out the framework.
Yeah.
They have to tie everything in one. So that's why majority of post office, the turn post office them in a needs station or needs thing of it with needs. So
it is so bad, Alvera.
But him have to sign it, him cannot sign it, him have to sign it. Unless
I think him coulda I think him never did have to sign it. This is my opinion, Alvera.
Oh, he have to sign it. From both houses of Parliament.
You think that the Governor General would have
to be signed.
From both houses of Parliament pass it, man,
It has to be signed.
Oh. When we think the Governor General should have read it and re-look it and then tell Andrew only say
no, I mean, read it and re-look it, but I'm not in place now because tell us
in place.
Yeah, listen to what he's saying, Tika, because the boathouse signed it. Remember them have the majority, you know. Him can't do nothing, him have to sign it.
Him can't.
I saw the law go. I saw it set up.
Alright, just coming like how, let's give a better example. Look on Vice Cartel case. From the king sign the seal, you know. The government can't tell us they not pay nobody with Privy Council harder than we pay a fee, you know. They must have a pay, you know. But guess what, God? Let's say me go to Supreme Court. Like Emmanuel Isaac represent the court order $100 million. Them can say, oh, we not paid. But you see if that same order come from England, they can't tell us they not pay, you know.
They have to pay it.
They must have a pay.
Yeah.
The different come from a local
the House of the Lord, yeah. Yeah,
it's called, top, they can't tell us they not do it.
It's called the House of the Lords.
That's why I tell us, the Governor General put on the King seal. You know, say the Governor General seal, you know, the King seal. Because without the King seal, without that seal in the penny, he could have employed 50 somebody in Nara. None of them can start no work.
Yeah, because
that can't become law until the Governor General sign it.
Remember, even though Andra braced to a Holland
but the Governor General signed it quick to Algeria because I think so them said it got the lower house, so it got the upper house.
They not pass that boat house, man.
Oh,
they pass it till the same day when Mark Gold in the walk out.
Listen.
I'm telling you, say all type of distraction.
Yeah, but a major distraction will happen with Brown Burger people, understand, you know. Excitement at the night, you know, wasn't Brown Burger walking out, you know. It was a national ID enactment, they upgrade the line. So them are forced to do things now, you know. But they don't care that part. They just can't party.
You, Alvera.
Make up nice with people.
I say you, Alvera, you're a man with sense.
I don't know that important part. That does catch people them excitement and make up be nice.
Yeah, exact. Distraction.
Distraction that.
Glad you don't see it. I did see it from there and I was telling them. But them think I joke me that
but it can't go court unless it become law, and then the court can deal with that violate the constitution, yes or no. But without it pass, you can't carry an empty vehicle without no engine go accept the engine, or you have to sure say it did it first.
Yeah.
So it all definitely go court, but on that current state now, you can't.
If I may, there's a case where Andrew was trying to take some land somewhere in Jamaica. I think it's somewhere in St. Anne. You know what I'm talking about, Alvera? And
upper St. Andreas but the work have to stop. Now the work resume. Gonna lease flat.
You see the Bengal mine now, people understand say they think they're all about politics and payback. Cause if you know who own Bengal or who control Bengal mine, you know say I'm on a run show a passy boy control. I feel him son run things. But the funny thing,
but they brought him to court. They brought him to court and he lost the case.
He lost the case before he go to court. Before he go to court, he lose the case because NEPA and the agriculture both them said that can't work. It have violated people's rights. You can't do that.
Yeah, but what is it? Sorry, let me just finish. There's something about that specific land. There's something on it that they want.
You have some animal and water. So animal and water, they in some type of species so they nowhere else in Jamaica they so they live.
I know, but Andrew want that land. There's something else on that land that he wants.
No, is it limestone they want off land?
So this man, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. He's a hypocrite because I see him brought the president for the United Nations here. You know, remember him bring that man. They come here and they're talking about the environment and all these things. He even went to the United Nations and talking about the environment. So that's what I'm saying. Like this guy is something else. He's like a two-mouth Buckenberry rat.
Yeah, but you see, with that case, based on me see, me not thinking can win that case. For one, ruling from the judges that they never support no document to show your economic perspective. Say, what them a do make sense. None of that. Them just that is one. Two, and the permit that was granted for that piece of place is not the permit for the place. So a piece of land they grant the permit for is not. That is not the piece of land the drawing is there for. Something totally different. And the person who joined the NEPA, they say they can't call him in a court because it go basically endanger their life. I don't know why. But for them, decision now for life, you give a government land or people them land. So there's, but you don't know the people really don't meet and matter. They just tell them, say, they want to fight we and this, that. One only pack garbage.
So okay, let's talk about what we were talking about before we came up about the NARA thing, right? Because they're saying how the NARA is about making things go faster and instead of the whole bureaucracy and all of that.
Me personally don't believe that, Because first thing, the bureaucracy where him claim to say I put in NARA, have him identify bureaucracy? Anybody ever hear a journalist tell why bureaucracy will cause things to delay?
No,
it's a procurement. We could do a check. So since a procurement type problem, the driver send buy some Starlink and because he need them urgent and he never do the procurement process. So how a procurement cause the problem? A bad management and doing things the wrong way and a procurement type problem. You not following the procurement standards or what set out, you do what you want.
You see how interesting this is, because if it was the other party who decided they were in power and they wanted to do this, I would have been hell and powder house in Jamaica right now.
Well, you see, they know what type of people I'm dealing with. Just like one journalist come and say, Oh, yeah, the general say money they don't like with thieving. But him now say for the people out there till now him should do more for the people Him tell us no him gonna use the money build a
Yeah, but
platform.
remember saying when the ordinary citizens were helping the people in the hurricane
He
and
say don't
still
take no picture.
and and still helping up until there's people out there who are still on the ground, who are still doing humanitarian aid, helping people right now. I know people personally who's still going back and forth helping people. Him was very upset about it. And saying that why are we videoing these things? Why are we making Jamaica look bad and we're beggars and you guys don't remember these things?
But the question you need for you. So him say Jamaica come like them are beggars, right? Just go by Ministry of Finance and see if the government not get 12 million US. If you do hurricane recovery for the people, man, they don't get $1. From the same people give them the money, then give them 12 million US.
Yeah, and how are they allowed to get away with this?
Yeah, because people only make up nice, then I do the right thing.
But who are the people? Who are the people?
If the regular Jamaican are out there, I thought.
Yeah, but what does the regular Jamaican? What power do the regular Jamaican have in this country?
Yeah, what about power, man?
I am asking you.
All the power ways.
All right, may I
I
show you
want
one.
you to tell them the power that
I'll
they
give you
have.
a perfect example. So, taxi man, they say them are going to take a bus fare increase. Darren Valls jump up 2 weeks earlier before and say no, they can't do it. Not until the 1st of June, I'm going to negotiate. The taxi man, they say, well, we're not carrying nobody. The government have to come on for a route of Sentan. What did you see government do? You know, the government have to change the route of Sentan.
Yeah, so that I want to know to tell the Jamaican people the power that they have and how they can go about using the power that they have.
But the power them I use them and make up too much noise. You can't go there, go broke down place and do that. Them will lock you up. You have to do things you are going to strike the government, you know.
Exactly.
You see, for the strike them pocket, for the strike tax, them are going to respond. Give another example.
I have put up things on my page showing the Jamaican people different ways of how you can protest. Protest is not about only about going out on the street and making up noise and burning down things because let me just make my thought because there is a act in the Jamaica. There is an old act from the British left that act. All they do is reform it, and that is what they're using right now to stop the Jamaican people from going out and protest. You understand? You have to get permit and all that.
They don't really stop them. My people them not eat right. All they need to know is a JP or a JP beside the paper now.
Yeah, but listen, many times Jamaicans, because I've been to protests in Jamaica, right, where we try to do it. Their restriction, they use the police, them to come and give you
but they not do it right. So you have to understand if you not do it right, you know. The reason why them do it, when they do it right, they might go ask you say, estimate. How much person they go do it? They say 50. So the police are up and they say, base pan, they say, yeah man, 50 person can do it. But when you just get a permit now and they turn up 5,000 somebody did it. You can't endanger public or anything, can you know, but then if you monitor it. So that's why they tell if they just get past the JP or over sign it. The police will sign it. So but you have to come now and show you meet the requirement, you can't just go there now and tell them say, oh you have a protest to say you want a permit. Which part you have a protest?
Alvera is right. Alvera right ways.
No, I am not saying it's wrong. I am saying
because if you know you need the security, you need the presence of the police when you do a protest, you know.
Just in case anything break out or any kind of violence and like that.
Yeah, so when them say, and I really say, you not forgot really go through no big heavy nothing for getting a permit. But it's just something legit because you need the support of the police for support. Because if per se then, you're going to have a protest down by Parliament. You still are going to need the police because PMP are go out there and JP are go out there. Meaning so not meaning say a man go in a orange and green where you can find on so the man a PMP, the man that labor right. And you would just there are protest and a man will boop a lick in your head with something.
Oh, you have got
so,
fight
and that now will cause violence.
Exactly.
That will cause war. So the police are there to prevent all of these things or to stop these things
I don't know if
from
that one. And two, certain places you will never get granted a permit for go. You will never get a permit
Yeah.
to go protest at Jamaica House, a parliament. Nowhere where government building place like they now give you that to you. If somewhere nearby, they will give it to you, but not at the exact location. Because one, you can endanger your life, the politician them life, munch other things.
All the things are going where Jamaican people need to go and protest right
you
now.
have to understand, you know, a major problem Jamaican people don't read. That's why when Parliament,
That's true, Alvera.
when Parliament are going, anybody go downtown, down on King Street, all light block off with soldier barricade. So that means you're not supposed to enter there. So why they not give a permit now if you go protest somewhere you know if you're supposed to enter?
You don't need to go down to Parliament.
No, but that's so some people want to go. I think,
Well, yeah.
and that's so they
I
want to go.
I am not going to get a permit for there.
They're not giving a permit.
You can. Could you get a permit for a park? Say, for example, you want to do a peace or a pension. What do you call it? A peace concert, right? In this concert, so you come together and rent a park, right? And that is a big venue where you have space where people can park. This concert is a recognition of a lot of things that is taking place. The femicide rate in Jamaica, children are missing, what the government is doing. You get a collaboration of all these things, all these people, and you brought the attention, the media, everybody. You know, like these are the things they do abroad. I don't know if it's
but I said to you, say, a permit type problem. Is it people that are applying for type problem? Because if, let's say, you know a necessary thing to do, and you want the media, what you can do, you make sure that before you protest, you write one letter to your opposition leader, you write one to the media association, you write one to the so everybody know what you're going to do, you know. Everybody know. Yeah. But you get up overnight, you go.
So it's a leadership. It's a leadership skill.
Alvera's right.
It's a leadership skill that is lacking.
Yeah, but you have to have proper nice, so they want to do this, but they're not following unnecessary things to get it done. So you inform everybody. So when you're out there now, I'll give you a better example. Perfect example. They plan on protest when Dennis Strong are down to be employed or a minute down on FID. And then go. Yeah, if you understand how media work, you know. Media will look some people, you know, or go around, go ask some people some question, we pick out to write the person to ask a question. When they get the permit was granted for them protest in front of the Ministry of Finance. Great. Because you have Hero Circle around there, so the park, you can go in there. What happened? Nationwide, send somebody go ask somebody a question, and the person seems like, say, it's somebody we don't know. What was nationwide questioning? Oh, the PMP care some people. You know, so we out there protest, I want to know what come out there for. That means say it's a bunch of idiot people. Then they interview 10 other somebody, you know. They use one somebody to mark off everybody where they say people are idiot.
That's media assassination.
Exactly.
And they tend to do that.
But when them ask a question, Alvero, from the interviewer with it go down a Hero Circle. The woman never have a clue.
Exactly. So they are going to use that now, say.
Out here.
They are going to use that now. Everybody will go there protest, don't know what them talk about.
We need proper organization. Like, you see, hold on. You see, like how you have protesting abroad in Canada or in the United States, you have proper organization putting these protests together. If you're going to protest, follow the proper protocol.
There's a difference with all right, Wiz. There's a difference between overseas, with abroad, and Jamaica. No, overseas, you don't have to apply for anything to do
you can go there.
No,
if you want
you have to apply. You have to apply as well.
Even if you want to go in front of the White House, the police them not gonna stop you. But here it's a different thing. You have to go through the right thing and the relevant authority, because if you don't, you're not gonna get it. And as Alvera said, depends on who I look about the permit.
I agree with you guys. I'm not disagreeing. I am just saying we need, if you're going to do something to that magnitude, we need the proper people, proper organization, proper leadership skill to get it done properly.
Alright, me I'll show you one protest, but nobody don't know. And it's very effective, but them people that make up their knives. Before the budget read, and Jones called a meeting down at conference center with all our business people. You know what people them tell them say, if you increase tax, you have to give them some tax write-off. What you seen though? You find me to give them tax write-off. They're not gonna make up nice like everybody. They know where they're gonna strike, you know. They know where they're
You
gonna
see, that's the next thing too. Them give Uda, because I remember before the election, long after COVID, I think it was during that time. Remember the police, them never get some money, them never get. I don't remember how much money them, and they went out and protest, and them never have no problem.
Pay them to the ball for.
Yes, and they
Because-
went out,
because
and
they
there
not-
was a lot of
because they
them,
not
and
live
they were
right.
protesting.
No, they still not get it because they not do it right.
Different way.
Why they not get it? You remember, see, I see them police they sell out roads. They throw up divorce. Where see people up when stand up for them? Where 10,000 people when stand up for them? Where them 10,000 people there?
Yeah.
So 10,000 people must stand up for mouth silent. So what him to do? Leave them.
Yeah, this country is a very difficult country. It's very difficult when it comes to human rights,
People just
you know, and all these things, you know, because I remember
I
when
don't think nobody have any human rights in Jamaica though.
Yeah,
All
it's
of the
very
rights
difficult
them have been
because-
taken.
No man, people have
All the rights
Alright,
them
me I'll
have
show
been
you,
taken
say.
away
only
from.
Look
let
for
me
the
tell you who have
Bengal case.
let me tell you who have human rights. The elites and the rich people. They have
No, man, no,
have
man.
human rights. It looks like.
No man, everybody have human rights, man. Different people just don't know if you use it.
I know that we have human rights, but you don't understand what I'm saying. You understand? If you know
Yeah, but
this,
if you don't know if you access something, come like you don't have it. Cause look on the Bengal case. It was 7 residents, and he basically a free lawyer, and they have a big lawyer then get. It's the public defender. Carry case go to court and meet the government. Many people are saying that go happen. But the thing said the public defender they will help you, but them just not use the right thing and not try to find the avenue, so they not gonna get help. Many things they are Jamaican you can't fight, you know. The most effective way now, like how you see all the people don't necessarily a lady die. They might make up too much unnecessary noise, them not do it the right way. When man who calling
lacking
me now,
knowledge. They don't have the proper knowledge to do it.
what no when they do now, when they call a meeting now, you don't quarrel. Everybody turn up to a meeting. As the meeting about to start and the prayer done, everybody leave. Everybody gone. Them a go wonder who them all talk to. Then she say people
You
might
see,
give
when
them
we talk about leadership, the people have good leadership to guide them and show
You
them
make sure say no broke no law. Everybody does timely pick up your leave. God. No, that's so now he member parliament and whoever now get a different signal. The people will come to tell this, we can't talk to them. And the media go there. Now it's going to give a different ringing and a different response. I respond and then come to give you now, then can't give you again. Because there's nobody to talk to, because people them gone. What Jamaican people do? Oh, me love to see the MP. I make up beer nice and then take them to food and then gone up to Exactly.
Them plan a picket the other day and they never did them research.
Nice no work.
They did a picketing the other day and they did not do their research, and when them go downtown, Parliament was closed. And I'm saying to my brothers and sisters, like, how did you not know that Parliament was
okay. Let me just sit here a while ago, say, not doing it for right.